So I have this list of skills that I want to pick up eventually in my life, sewing being one of them, woodworking, which you've also seen me tackle, bookbinding. It just looks absolutely gorgeous, so I definitely want to try that one day. Very high up on this list is rug tufting, and Boomy and Ash, who you may remember from when they hosted that pottery workshop at my sister's place, just opened a studio here in Cebu, and they offer rug tufting classes. So today, together with my sister, brother, and nephew, we're gonna go over there and try out a rug tufting class. I am so excited. I can't wait to try it out. And of course, I will be taking you along with me. This is my landmark for this place. If you were ever looking for it, it's over here at the second floor, right in there. Hi. Hi, we're gonna do rug tufting.
If you can see all the way, it's like pink on the side because we have like 20+ students tomorrow from parish school, so we are hosting a class for them. So we do like big classes also since this space is quite big, so we can accommodate maybe 30 to 40 packs at one time. Yeah. And I'll show you also the kiln.
No, that is so cute! Barbie pink kiln, that is the best.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What? Oh, that looks so good. So they asked us to choose the designs beforehand, and then they've put it onto the canvas for us so that we can tuft it. Over here we have the one that I picked.
Oh wow, they drew the designs already.
Yeah, everything's set up.
So cute. It's a little bit small, huh?
I thought it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be.
So it doesn't matter what it looks like on the back, as long we don't care if she's cute, we want the front to be cute.
Oh my god! I told you should do it after you give birth.
No, you said kaya na ni mo.
Well, yeah, kaya ginanim. Kaya ginanim. You can do anything. Okay, stick it in there. Okay, wait. Oh!
Yeah!
Oh, I broke it.
Oh yeah, wala lagi siya nilog.
One more time, one more time. It's so fast.
Yeah, but it's good that you have like that strength.
Okay, yarn here in the side. I'm gonna attempt a curvy line. So like this. Ah! Okay. Yeah, boy.
Nice!
Oh, isag ka!
Why are you so chill? It really surprised me how fast it
You're
was.
so intense.
It really surprised me. I was like, whoa, it's way faster than I thought it was gonna be. Why? What do they want to do? Uh-huh.
I don't know what those are.
They're usually poster paint. Depends. Is it like in a palette? Dude, I don't know. Send me a picture. You know why I picked this flower, lady? Because I was like, oh, the petals are so irregular. I can't possibly screw this up. Like, if it looks weird, you'll be like, oh, design. That's what I meant to do. Wala lang. I just went on Pinterest too and went rug tufting designs. When I'm done, I'm gonna hang it on the wall. Nice, good job. You're crafty, oi. Everyone is crafty by heart. Diba? There is a crafter in all of us. Yeah. Like, how could we possibly screw it up? Yeah. Oh, yep. It's fine. It's fine. Nothing happened. How long has it been? Oh, 6. So tired na eh.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you
I'm okay. My head was too close to the thing and it hit me. But it's okay.
and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you. Without you. New face, same old good anxiety. Where's your irony? Just smile wide, 'cause I got everything I need, but not what I wanted. 'Cause I just wanted you. And if I could, I'd leave the city too. I don't blame you. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you. Oh, without you.
Dude, look at yours. It's so good. Good job, good job, good job. Are you proud of yourself?
Take me to the ruins, aquifers and springs, baby ferns uncurling.
Our finished rugs. Aren't they so cute? I'm so proud of us.
I know.
And I'm so happy we did this. Like, we were literally just talking about it 2 days ago. And then we did it!
Wow, it's so
Yay.
hard. I'm so happy na may ganito na sa Cebu.
Yes.
Something to do.
I'm like, I don't know if they can hear you.
You can hear me.
Okay.
ASMR, ASMR.
Oh my gosh, why are we like this?
Or